Hey there, welcome to part 4 of our boat scratch game. Now in this video, we're going to bring our scratch to life. I'll put scratch to life by uploading it. So I'll pick the up one. As you can see, I have my boat scratch. Then I'm going to add the remaining two, that is for movements, left and right. So I'm going to pick the right and the left and open. And I'm just okay. So I clicked on the first one, that is the up, so it's facing direction 19. And the next thing I'm going to do now is go to when green flag clicked in events. Pick when green flag clicked. Go to switch backdrop looks to. So now what I'm doing here is that for every time we click on our green flag, it should show this blue sky first. Switch costume to up. So it should also show the boat as the first one, like this. So once I click on it, this is how it should show. And the next thing now is go to front layer. And before I pick the next one, which is specifying which is the position where it should be, that is go to. So for every time we click on this, it should go somewhere. Before that, I have to take this guy and bring this guy here. So every time when in the next video, you will see why we have to bring it here first. So I'm going to go to motion and pick go to XY position, and that is it. So like this now, we have our boat scratch, our boat sprites ready. And the next thing now is to add the movements. And to add movements, we're going to say when green flag clicked in events. Let me stop this first. Say when green flag clicked, then I'll click on it back. We go to control, we pick forever. Still in control, we pick if else then, and I'll put it inside. And inside there, we're going to go to sensing and pick key space pressed. But we'll change the space to right arrow. And then inside, we're going to say switch costume to right, which is in looks, switch costume to right. Then still there, we're going to say move 5 steps. And just like that, we have our key arrow for the movement. So I'll stop this and do this. You can see. And the next thing I'm going to do now is for the LC, I'm going to say switch costume to up. That is what I will add here. And I'll change this to up. And the next thing now is to add the right arrow code. I'm going to go back to control and pick if then. Now that I have my if then, I'll go to sensing, pick key space pressed. I say space, okay, space, and then left arrow. Then I'll go back to motion and pick move 10 steps. So I'm going to stop and change this one to negative. Now I'm going to start it back, and you can see that we're moving left and right. Okay, so why it is not showing like it's moving left is because I did not add switch costume. So I'll go to looks and pick switch costume to left. And then when I click on the green flag and see, now you can see. But as you can notice, our game is not stopping or starting over when we hit the rocks or the border side. So that's the next one we're going to do now. This is everything. We've brought our scratch to life, our boat to life. We've given it movements. But what happens when it hits a rock? We're going to see that in the next video. See you in the next video. Thank you.